Dude with the stick and everything.
In this video, you're just going to hear me breathing heavily into this camera. Pretty intense, and it's hot today. So.
That was an uphill, yeah.
Oh.
All you got to do is get it out.
God damn it.
Hey, hey, there you are.
This is the entrance to the Suikerbosrand. We are going to do the 11-kilometer hike today, which is called the Bokmakierie trail.
Dude with the stick and everything. What it is, I guess.
Going through this nice little forested section at the beginning, which is quite lovely. Nice and shady here. Feels like a little fairy glen in here. It's very, very green and lush and humid.
Oh, it's sick. Oh, that is pretty cool. What is it? I don't know.
Hey, we don't know what that is. Here's a small little uphill at the beginning.
Okay, we're going back,
We are making our way up the first uphill at the Suikerbosrand.
The idea is to make it like that. Exactly. Yeah. Now I understand why you wanted the Pokemon. That was fun. That's good. She like came up with
In this video, you're just going to hear me breathing heavily into this camera. The uphill is pretty intense, and it's hot today. So you can see the visibility is not great, but maybe the sun's going to burn through some of that. There we have a nice shady spot in which Vicky and Sims and Bill are resting. There's Cam and Ra and some strangers. That's pretty much the top of that first uphill. Sure, you didn't make it. It's really beautiful.
Oh, look, it's a wild mare. That's David Attenborough.
Here we are taking our first rest after that uphill.
Not really, but sometimes.
I just think that we used to be working off that meal from yesterday.
Yes, 100%.
My mom is a legend, she's making us breakfast. I can't wait for that.
Give me lunch.
I can't believe that this Josh is Josh, your brother.
I know, right?
Like when I got introduced, I was like, okay, Josh. But I was like, oh, Josh, your brother.
He's big, eh?
Built like a big shit.
Yeah, and he's not even gymming, like.
The last time I saw him was in Durban, and he was a kid.
Yes, okay,
That's obviously taking over something, eh?
Yeah, it's like a vampire plant. It'll just eat away at it.
Crazy, yeah.
Sounds like a scam. Alright, so I didn't do a check-in this morning before the hike, so I'll do it now, even though we're halfway. We're about to stop. Here we are at Suikerbos. It's a very hot day, going up a really tough mountain, as you can hear. But yeah, it's been a beautiful day. We're a big group of people, lots of friends, which is lovely. Here we go. There's our little rest stop for the trail. Small amounts of shade, but we'll make it work. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
last hill. I really like this pink grass. It's really soft to the touch. Feels really, really, really nice. Don't know what it is. If anyone knows, let us know in the comments below. Please and thank you. There's a fly sitting on the camera. Oh, I don't know if this is a fly. He's got some interesting black and white markings. Anyway, this is an absolutely beautiful trail at this time of year. I can't believe how many beautiful flowers I'm seeing and how green everything is. It's beautiful. This is sort of the middle section of the trail. It's after the stop at the big gibbersel tree, and it's just like this flat, not flat, but you know, not too hectic inclines. It's a really nice section of the trail. Yes, nice to enjoy a moment alone on this beautiful hike, don't you think? No, I'm really, really enjoying this hike today. It was quite an uphill. And our friends are mentioning because they saw a pretty big baboon. Your wife means business.
No,
She's like, oh, there's a baboon, and she is gone. Juice is good. Yeah, man, that was a lekker uphill that is ongoing. I really like these orange flowers. These orange flowers that we walked past. These red ones are also nice.
That was an uphill, yeah.
Sit on this chair.
Yeah. Dave,
Yeah, the Mensa.
no, not Dave.
Hello.
How's it?
You got some shade, Josh?
Oh, look at all that water down there. Wow.
Yeah, I got it prepared.
Oh, yes,
But still,
please.
it's now.
Yes, please.
Oh no.
Oh, blast me in the face with your hair.
Yeah, that is nice, eh?
Get in all of my
Yeah. Get everywhere.
Sorry, Shell, can I just go ahead of you quick? I want to be at the front so I can get some footage.
Dude, 10%.
Exactly.
I'll still do tight grips. And this is it. All you got to do is get it out.
God damn it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's fucking tree.
Oh yeah, spiky.
Yes, I also wanted to.
Dude, I thought that was an old lady.
I was like, what fucking animal is this?